One of the nicest days here in Spain. I'm so, oh my God, I'm so excited to go. The first thing that comes to mind when you hear about Mallorca is the obsessive drinking, the crazy parties, just this wild behavior of people that all over the world just come here to get completely wasted. But there's a side to Mallorca that a lot of people actually don't know, and I didn't know about it. When my parents told me the first time that we're gonna go to Mallorca, I was like, what are you guys gonna do there? Because I thought this is not the place for people to hang out and have a good time in a way of the way that my family likes to have a good time, which is more on the quiet side, not the partying, just the beautiful nature. And I was so surprised when I first got here how incredibly stunning and magnificent and profound this place is and what it has to offer, and not just the party side that you see in the news all the time. I think Mallorca has gotten a little bit more popular in the last few years. However, I don't think a lot of people know how beautiful this place is. There's so many more places than just Cala Gatiara, Magaluf, and all these crazy party places. And there's just so much beauty here, and I thought I'd share with you a little bit on the different side of Mallorca, and I hope you enjoy. I'm really excited to take you along and enjoy the ride. One of the nicest days here in Spain. I'm so, oh my God, I'm so excited to go. I'm gonna take you to my favorite spot. I love this spot. It's so crystal clear blue and it's one of a kind, and I bet you haven't seen water this clear because I didn't before I first got to the spot. And I lived in Hawaii, which is the most beautiful place in the world, but that spot is pretty close, so I can't wait to show you. This was so refreshing. But oh man, that was scary. I'm so out of breath because I just had to help rescue this guy because he didn't know how to get out. And then usually no one is here, but there was this one person and he didn't know how to get out. And I'm just, people, when you go to a place that you don't know, don't just jump in, because this place only has one little area where it's somewhat possible to get out. But gosh, man, people are just wild. God. Yeah, so if you go to a place that you don't know, make sure you ask and don't just jump in the water. Gabriel is so responsible. Oh my God. And he barely knew how to swim either. It's just like, don't jump in the ocean. You can't swim. God. Well, I made it to the top, and I guess I got some karma points. And now I gotta go back. This hidden gem in the southeast coast of Mallorca, surrounded by lush pine trees, creating a serene, secluded atmosphere. This crystal clear water was the perfect spot I wanted to show my au pair, who loves snorkeling. She enjoyed the snorkeling in the serene, vibrant underwater world. Just such a unique experience. If you're looking for breathtaking natural beauty, this spot is really one of a kind. I decided to show her one of my favorite markets where I like to shop every week for local produce, fruits and vegetables. It's such a great spot. It's every Wednesday and Saturday. It does get really crowded, but if you go really early, you can enjoy all minutes of it. And we also went to the store and we grabbed some local salt that she's going to bring back home to her family in Finland, and definitely something you should check out. One thing I will never understand is why people don't like to wake up early. It's the most beautiful time of the day, and I cannot stress enough how important it is to get up early in Mallorca, because you will be able to see views that you will be remembering for a lifetime. We got up super early to check out one of my favorite spots on the island. I just got to my favorite place, and now I actually dropped them off and I have to ride this one wheel, which is going to be kind of hard, but we'll make it work. Always have to find a spot where I can do this. I'm gonna use this pole to hold myself, but yeah, it is pretty hard. I guess it worked. It is a nice ride, so We just made it. It's so pretty because no one's here. And Lila's just playing right over there. I'm obsessed with this place. It's just so pretty. Perks of waking up early. We're gonna stay here for a few hours, but not too long because it's gonna get really hot, and just walking back, carrying all this stuff, it's gonna be hard, so we're gonna wait. Yeah, Lila. We're gonna see how long we can stay. The place is owned by some billionaire and you're not allowed to go, but they can't forbid you to walk on the rocks, so that's what I'm doing, just to check out because it's so clear, the water. Get it when people say money doesn't buy happiness, but if this is your backyard, this must be really nice. If you're looking for a very unique place, then I have something for you. This place is super special because it has all these very old antique doors and a lot of antique stuff, and it's just very pretty to look at and explore. It's very special and very unique. These doors are incredibly old, which I just love and appreciate. The art. This is a spot one of a kind and so special. The next store I have for you is also very unique. If this isn't the most special place, I don't know, because I'm just so touched how beautiful it is. The glass is so nice. What I love about this store is that it looks like it's your home, so you can actually picture how it actually would look in your home. So everything they're using, it's almost like in your own home.
Rise and shine. Woke up fresh in the morning with a feeling. Everything's gonna